How's it going, James? Online Car Show. Well, finally, our Petrolbox has arrived for July. So without hesitation, let's get this video started.
I saw you with the box. What's in the box?
Finally, as you can see, we got this month's Petrolbox in the mail. Really excited to get her open. I always love getting these. I know a lot of y'all aren't a fan, but it's kind of like, you know, Christmas every month and Christmas in July, if you will. But evidently, Houston Mail is 2 days behind everybody else because I saw other people getting there Saturday. So Houston still believes in Pony Express, and things just get a little slower from them. But I'm really excited to get this opened. As y'all know, Petrolbox always has a contest attached to this. Please be sure to check that out. If y'all viewed my last month's Petrolbox opening, you know we had a contest to give away a free Petrolbox sponsored by Petrolbox, and Camaro Time actually won the contest. Be sure to go out and check his channel and the unboxing he did as well. And I'll put a link below in the description to his channel. Well, as a lot of y'all know, Petrolbox is a monthly car enthusiast box. They offer a variety of different car care products. You know, there'll be a shirt in here, as well as some other goodies that we'll go through here in a second. They also have a contest attached to each Petrolbox every time you get one in the mail, that if you open your Petrolbox and there's a golden ticket in there, you get a free set of roadie form custom monoblock wheels, which is very cool. So every time I open it, I'm always hoping for that golden ticket. So let's take this in the garage and see what we got. Well, now for the moment of truth. Is there a golden ticket? I've already cut the tape here. Let's get this bad boy open. As always, of course, really nice box. Petrolbox on the side, fuel can on the top. Once you open it up, you're always greeted with this special thank you for your support with their 2 signatures, Petrolbox, and a list of the contents that's in the box with the golden ticket giveaway on the bottom. So I don't see a golden ticket yet, but we are gonna keep looking here. What is this? No golden ticket, so hopefully next month we'll keep our fingers crossed, right? Let's see what we got here. This is Scotch and Iron Brain Bucket Hat. I really hope you enjoy the new Scotch Iron products. I am still the only employee here and love seeing my designs on other customers. Please tag us with the Scotland Iron and share what you are driving. Very cool. So they've got their hat that's in here. Go ahead and pull that out. Ooh, really cool. It's got a little race car hat. I love that hat. Wow. Very nice quality too. Trucker style hat. See if I can get y'all close up to that logo a little bit. I think that's pretty freaking cool, right? Very nice. Definitely will wear that. And this is just a little brochure, I guess, marketing material that went with them. And they want to extend a 25% discount on your order for the next 30 days using a code. Very cool there. So that's the Scotch and Iron Brain Bucket hat. Looks like we've got a microfiber towel. Always can use these. Very nice. This is probably, yep, this is from the Rag Company. It's edgeless microfiber. And microfiber, or the Rag Company has been in a lot of these boxes. Their rags and sponges, whatever, have been excellent quality. I highly recommend their products. So let's go ahead and drape that over. Let's see what we got next here. It looks like a spray bottle top. Let's go ahead and get to that. Jack's Wax Total Interior. Oh, I'm actually really needing interior stuff right now. So I'm hoping this is something I really need here. We'll see what it is. It says Jack's Wax Total Interior. Total Interior is a must-have product for any car enthusiast that loves to keep their interior of their ride looking brand new all the time. This one-step cleaner and protectant is strong enough to clean the daily grime and build up your vehicle's interior with leaving a perfect matte finish and odor encapsulate to get rid of unwanted smells. Very cool. So it's kind of an all-in-one interior detailer from Jack's Wax Total Interior. Definitely will use that. Very cool. And I'll have to check that out. So put that right there. Trash out of here. Let's go ahead and see who the ride of the month is. Got ride of the month. Looks like a Honda Civic. Subscriber of the month, Josh Hanna, July 2018. Very nice. He's got a riser, but still got to give him some love there. Josh Hanna, go check him out, see if he's got an Instagram. And let's see what we got here. The t-shirt is from Scotch and Iron 2. So it'll go along with the hat, I'm guessing. Let's see what it says here. Drive more, work less. That's what it says. Drive more, work less. Scotch and Iron. Okay. Very cool. And it's got a nice little logo there on the front as well. Scotch and Iron Company. Very nice shirt and hat combo there, Petrolbox. Like that. And, ooh, got Branches butterscotch candy. Yum. And we've also got race car things. Let's see what it says here about them. Petrolbox race car things. Our race car things shirt was such a big hit. We're back with a classic vanilla air freshener. So it's a vanilla air freshener from Petrolbox. That's really cool. Race car things. Very nice box this month, guys. We got the microfiber towel from the Rag Company, Scotch and Iron shirt, and hat combo, which is very nice hat. Came with the little marketing brochure. We've got the ride of the month, Josh Hanna. Very cool there. And of course we got our butterscotch. And Jack's Wax Total Interior, which I will use. This bottle will be gone pretty quick. Very good month for Petrolbox. Y'all be sure to go check them out. That's my.petrolbox on Instagram. And also, I'll leave a link to their website in the description. Just click below there. As you can see, I've already got my hat and shirt on from Scotch and Iron that I got with this month's Petrolbox. Really loving the shirt and hat and everything that was in the box this month. Very good month from Petrolbox. Y'all be sure to go check them out. They've got the best car enthusiast monthly subscription box that I was able to find out there. And you know, go check them out. It's a real cheap monthly price. They always offer discounts. You know, you can go from there with their subscription of products. So be sure to hit the like and subscribe button. We've got a bunch of cool updates coming up here shortly. We've got the rear reflectors to match the GM parts house brake light and third brake light, just to make everything uniform back there. It's going to be kind of a fun installation, I think, looking at it. We've also got some reviews from Rev Auto Supply detail products coming up here shortly. And as always, thank y'all so much for watching my videos. Y'all have a wonderful week.